Hi guys, this is Thrifty Mama Scraps. I just got my new Felicity Jane kit in the mail, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing as fast as I can, actually, because I don't have a lot of space on my phone, so I'm just going to get right at it. As you know, they moved to Arizona, and this is the first kit in their new location. So I'm really excited to take a look at it. This is just a sweet note from Jeanna. And I also got a present. I guess she sent everyone a present. And it looks like it's one of those really cute zipper pouches. So that'll be really nice. So I'm excited about that. And then, let's see. Here's the die cuts for this month. It's a Jeanna collection. And as you know, the owner's name is Jeanna. So here are all the die cuts this month. Pretty exciting. And then, let's see, here's a stamp set. The Jeanna stamp set, which are very versatile. And I'm really excited to use those on my scrapbook pages. And here are some lovely puffy stickers. Very cute. Love those. And then we got a bunch of chipboard hearts in different patterns, which are really cool. I love chipboard hearts for my pages. And then it looks like we've got some flocked flower stickers, which are really cool in floral patterns. So it doesn't show on the back, but very cute. And then we got some twine bows, which will be really cute for paper clips or for embellishments on a page. And then it's a pretty big kit this month. And then we got chipboard letter stickers, which can be painted or inked or used white. So that's cool. And then last but not least, we got the paper for the kit. And we got the journaling cards, or the Project Life cards. So let me open this real quick as fast as I can. It's the first time I'm looking at it too, so. Again, get this out. Okay, so the first paper is called Floral and Tufted. Here's a really nice floral on it. I like the mustard combination because it's going to be fall soon, and it just kind of brings those colors together. If you're going to cut them apart, you can use some of those flowers for fall. And then the back side is just kind of a cross stitch pattern, and then the branding strip is light blue and dot. The next page is called Wood Grain and Sunburst, and here's a wood grain. It's a really nice blue, light blue. And then here's the burst, which kind of looks like a sunburst or a rainbow, like that. The next one is called Bold Stripe and Speckles. So here's the bold stripe in all the classic Felicity Jane colors that we love so much. And then here is the speckles. Just a black and white speckle. And then on the branding strip, it says Home Sweet Home, which is really lovely. The next paper is called Squares and Dotty Stripe. So here's the squares. It's kind of a neat colorful grid pattern. And then here are it's kind of wavy dots. in black, and then the branding strip is a green stripe. And then the next one is called Spots and Stripes, and it's a pinky peach color, and it's got little white dots. And then on the back it's got a really thin black and white pinstripe, and the branding strip is that goldenrod gingham. Check. This one is called Sunset and Tiles, and this has a really nice sunset ombre effect, and the back side has kind of a tile pattern. And then the branding strip is a floral. And then here are the cardstocks. So you get a really light mint teal and a green. Love those. And then the other cardstock is like a salmon color or melon color, kind of a orangey, like cantaloupe color. And then here's a goldenrod on the back. So then let me open the cards real quick if I can. Do this quickly. Let me get that out of here quickly. Okay. So here are the cards. We've got a heart and stripe floral that matches the floral pattern. Love in This Place card. A diagonal stripe. Dot. This says Today. There's a really nice heart in black and white. This says Real Life Moments, Little Details, some really nice polka dots, Home Sweet Home, and then lastly like a scallop. So that is all for the August Felicity Jane kit, and you can jump on over to felicityjane.com. And Jeanna will send you her Jeanna kit. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you back next time at Thrifty Mama Scraps. Thank you.